Hi guys, in front of me is Vivo Y16 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, click on edit, and now select profile picture right here. You can either take a photo or choose a photo, it's up to you. I would like to pick something from my gallery. And now just pick the picture that you want to apply to this contact. And now you can customize this picture, so you can crop it, you can rotate it, whatever you wish to do and however you want to have it added. Let me do it like this, then tap on, actually not reset, but save, then click on save again, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to Jean. Actually, it's not the best quality one, but still, and this is how it works. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.